What's up guys, today is a very special day. We're finally going to be data logging the BRZ for the HKS version 2 Supercharger Kit. So we're going to mount up the camera, do some data logging, and do some pulls. It's so loud. Because he has the parent intake.
Yeah, I think it's meant to go with like the HKS one or even the stock one.
Yeah. Sounds good though.
Yeah.
Because with the Sprintex, with the stock airbox, it was a really quiet supercharger. I mean, it was loud, but this is super loud. Like you just hear it at idle. I like the steering wheel. What is this, Rec Speed?
Yeah.
This is nice.
Maybe gradually go into it again.
Okay, I can feel the boost there. Makes good noises though, I like it.
It does.
Yeah. Alright, so the owner of the car is going to be here soon, so right now we're going to be loading up our new tune to the car after we did some data logging. Pretty simple. If you guys don't know, data logging actually logs all the data from the ECU and sends it to the tuner. If the tuner wants to do any revisions or any small tweaks, that's where he is allowed to do so. Right now, our tuner just sent us a new tune file, so we're going to load that into the car, and the customer is going to drive the car for the first time.
Man, I'm wearing loafers. fully dressed up right now.
You'll be fine, dude. So what's your exhaust setup?
I got the MXP Comp RS.
Stock header, stock overpipe, stock front pipe?
Yeah.
Okay.
Stock.
Sounds pretty good.
You heard that already, man.
Yeah, the supercharger is pretty loud.
That's loud, man. Yeah, it pulls up like up top.
Yeah, you gotta get into the high RPM to feel the power. But like Alex was saying, you gotta data log it another time just to perfect it. God damn. That's a lot better. Not even on the 85.
Yeah. I'm trying to heel the toe. I can't heel the toe in loafers.
Oh.
Man,
Dude, this thing moves.
I know, and the sound. Oh.
Yeah,
if
the
I
sound.
replace the box, it's really gonna make it different.
What's up guys? So I'm gonna have to barge into the video just really quick here. So I do want to mention that we did install the parent intake with the supercharger. You might have noticed that in the video, the first couple pulls weren't super crazy for the data logs. That's because we would do 1 or 2 pulls and it would be fine, and then the 3rd or 4th pull, it wouldn't pull as hard, and we looked at the intake air temperature and it was at like 145 degrees. So what we did was we threw on the stock intake back on the car, and the car ran way better. The car was making way more power and the boost was hitting a lot harder. So I just wanted to add that in the video because you might have noticed that the car wasn't pulling as hard. At the time, we didn't have the stock intake, so that's why we cut the parent intake. So back to the video. Alright guys, so that's going to sum it up for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions about boosting your BRZ, FRS, GT86, do not hesitate to call us or DM us on Instagram or email us at support@86speed.com. And with that guys, we'll see you in the next one.